In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a service agreement or employee induction form with a digital signature underneath, just like this one, and have it sent in a PDF format to your email using Contact Form 7. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. The first step we have to do is to have Contact Form 7 plugin installed. For new people, you go to plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, type in Contact Form 7. It's the first plugin in the left, so install it and activate it. The second plugin that we will use in this form is Contact Form 7 Signature Add-on. So type in the search menu Contact Form 7 Signature Add-on. Install the plugin is the second one in this page. Install it and activate it. After we installed these two plugins, we hit to Contact and we click on Add New. As you see, there is a new field been added up here. It's called signature. So let's call this form agreement, as we're gonna do a service agreement, and delete all the fields that we have here as a default and put in a p tag, open and close it, and in between let's put a checkbox field. We have to put it as required. Let's call it, you can leave it as it is, and but I'm gonna call it an agreement. And the option, I agree on terms and conditions. Let's wrap it. Put it in label first and insert tag. The second field, we add a p tag. We open and close it, and we type print name, for example. And after that, we add a text inside it. So we put this field as required. We can call it name, for example, or you can leave it as it is, and then we don't need to do anything else, and we insert the tag. The third one, we're gonna add the signature here. So we open and close p tag again. In between, we click on signature here in this field, and then we keep it required. Keep the name as it is, but you can put it agreement or whatever you want. And in the width, let's say 300 pixel, and in the height 100 pixel, and the color, let's insert first and we'll see about the color. Insert, and then we save this form, and after that we take this link, we copy it, and we go to pages and click on add new. In the pages here, we call this one a service agreement, for example, and in here we paste the link of the contact form and we click publish. Let's go visit this page. So let's put a new link and look how it is. The signature is here, but it seems like it's a bit white and it's not that good. We're gonna fix it very soon. So let's go back to the contact to fix the color in here and fix the agreement condition. In here, let's go back to contact and contact form and to agreement form. So let's say we want a gray color for this signature. So we just come here and type in background and put the hexa code color, which is this one, like kind of gray. And in here we move the label first, as it was a mistake, and put use label element, and then we click on save, and then we head back to the page and refresh it. And it's just, as you see here, it's all good. I agree on term condition is working in the checkbox, and it's a gray background color for this signature with a print name up here. As you can see, it's all working good. So now let's put some random text up here just to show it in the PDF, as I'm gonna show you very soon. So now we go back to WordPress dashboard, and we go to the page, our page, which is called service agreement. Just look for it, just here. And before the code, we just paste a random text as this one and click on update. We go back to the page and we refresh it. As you see, it's in here. So now let's see how we're gonna show it in the PDF in this kind of format. It's like a neat and tidy, and it's very professional. So in this case, we have to go to the WordPress dashboard again and install a plugin called Send PDF for Contact Form 7. So we type here Send PDF for Contact Form 7. Is the first plugin right here. We install it and activate it. So after that, we go to contact, and as you see, there's a new field called Send PDF with CF7. We click on it. We select the form, our form in the contact form 7, which is the one is called agreement. In here, there is too many features that we can add to the layout of the PDF page. So for example, here you can upload an image, or you can upload your logo. Just up here, let's pick a logo. I'll choose that one and choose this image. Put it in the right side. In the right side. Display hidden on each page. Yes. And then we go down in the footer. In the footer of the page, you can add reference, date, and time. And there's a quite a few of the tags. I would like to add the date and also the time. Let's go down here. In here, where you can put the signature and the checkbox and everything like this. So as you can see, I already added the default text. Underneath this one, I like to cut it. I like to put like a HR tag. It's like a horizontal line, and underneath that we open and close a P tag, and then we put the first tag is the agreement. We put it just down here. The name, the second one is going to be the name, so we copy it and paste it, but we put it in a new P tag. And the tricky one is the signature. So what you have to do is open an image tag, which is give it an alt value of sign, and source, which the source going to come from. The source is going to come from the signature field, which we take that one, we copy it, and we paste it just down here, and then we close the tag, the image tag. And after that, you could say we almost finished. We just go up here. They'll show you another more options. There's in general, you can have the PDF, and you can have CSV, which is an Excel, and here you can name the PDF when you're gonna receive it. So you could call it service agreement, for example. You can without a space, agreement, and go down. I would say that's all you can use in here for my side, and this save settings. Then in this case, the only thing left is the mail tab in the contact form. So we go back to contact, the agreement, contact, and the mail tab. In here, there is a bit. There is like four or five fields to fill. The first field is 2, where this form is gonna go to the PDF and the message body in here. From where it's gonna go from, I already added my email. Just say like a business email, And the third one, the subject, we don't have a subject, so we're just gonna leave it like Optimal Security Services. And additional header, you can leave it as it is. From name 11, you don't have to add anything because you can receive a PDF file. So let's, in this case, click on save and go test our service agreement. We have to do a refresh here, and then after like you read it, like it's the employee or a customer want to read all this, so they agree on your terms, they agree, and this put like Yagi, which is my name, and put a signature and send. Thank you for your message, it has been sent, it's all done. So let's go back to my email. Just check my email if I receive it or not. Just refresh my email, and as you see here, I've received it. I received it in two ways, PDF and CSV, which is Excel. Let's say our PDF. As you see, it's pretty cool. You can put it down with a BR tag. We can fix it in very fast. But the most important thing is the signature. It's just down here. I agree on terms and conditions, and Yagi, my name, which is the name of the customer, it's gonna be here, and the signature of the customer. So you have like a total proof of the agreement. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next week for another video. Bye for now.